Look, choosing a mini split usually comes down to one of two things. Do you want the brand name you've known for decades, or do you want the efficiency specs that look unbeatable on paper? I've been turning wrenches on these systems for 17 years, and I can tell you that a high price tag doesn't always mean high performance. Today, we're looking at the GE Endure against the Pioneer Quantum Ultra. One's a household name, the other's a spec sheet giant. Let's see what's actually under the hood. Let's talk builds. GE's Endure series is coming out of Thailand, and they aren't cutting corners on the internals. You're getting a coated coil to fight off corrosion and a variable speed compressor that knows how to throttle. Pioneer's Quantum Ultra is a Chinese manufactured unit, but don't let that label fool you. It also features a variable speed compressor and coated coils. On the bench, these two are actually swinging in the same weight class when it comes to the core hardware. When we talk efficiency, we're looking at SEER ratings. GE pulls a solid 23.5 SEER. That's enough to keep your utility bill from spiking during a heat wave. But Pioneer steps it up a notch with a 24 SEER rating. In the real world, both of these units are going to sip power compared to a traditional central air system. But that half-point edge gives Pioneer the technical lead in raw efficiency. Here's where things shift. The GE Endure series carries a premium name, and it comes with a premium price tag, averaging out at $1,705. On the other side, the Pioneer Quantum Ultra is coming in much leaner, with an average market price of $1,086. We're talking a difference of over $600 for units that are practically identical on the spec sheet. Warranty is your long-term insurance policy. GE offers a 10-year umbrella on parts and 10 years on the compressor. It's a solid set it and forget it play. Pioneer matches that 10-year parts coverage, but adds a little extra cushion with a 12-year compressor warranty. In the HVAC world, the compressor is the heart of the system. If it dies, the unit dies. 2 extra years of coverage is a big deal for long-term risk management. Before I give you the verdict, remember this. The best unit in the world will fail if you don't treat it right. If you let those filters get choked with dust, you're killing your airflow. Low airflow leads to icing, and icing is a fast track to a liquid slugged compressor. Wash those filters every month. It takes 5 minutes and saves you $5,000. Time to make a call. We have a SEER difference of only 0.5 comma, which means we have to look at the value score. Efficiency per dollar. With GE, you're paying $1,705 for 23.5 SEER. With Pioneer, you're getting 24 SEER for $1,086. The math doesn't lie. The Pioneer Quantum Ultra offers higher efficiency, a lower price point, and a longer compressor warranty. GE makes a fine machine, but for the money, the Pioneer Quantum Ultra is the smarter play for your home. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVAC for-beginners.com.